Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your AC air conditioner is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now, it is always a good idea first to check the fuse and the relay because that's the easiest to check and cheapest to fix. Now, if both the fuse and relay are good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and make sure there is no leaks in the system, make sure that the AC lines are not leaking, and you will have to focus on AC compressor itself or a possible wiring issue. But first things first, always check the fuses. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, located right here, very easy accessible. Now, to leave the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the other side. So what you want to do, you want to pull this cover over those tabs. So just have to get underneath here and pull it up on both sides. Okay, just like that. Once you have it off, on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 17, which is a 10 amp red fuse located here, responsible for power to AC compressor. And just under that fuse, this is the AC compressor relay. So these are two things to check. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.